Uh, let me start the session. Online team, let me talk with you. Is my voice is clear? Before starting the session, I just wanted to hear from you. Is my voice is clear or not, sir? Very good. Thank you. So first of all, I hope thank you for understanding. The session we supposed to start at 5:35, but due to my personal work, actually, I have shifted. It never happens, but today I supposed to cancel the session, but I don't want to cancel actually. That's what I'm taking. You got it right? Thank you for understanding. It never repeat again actually. Yeah, let's move on. Let me create running notes for today. I need your help. Currently, what is running? Data analysis. First to series introduction, we are moving on actually. Okay. Let me create running notes for today. Thank you. Pandas introduction, we are running with actually, right? 37. Pandas introduction. It's a 02. John. And first time. Year I need to touch actually. Good. We are good to go. Let's move on. 02. And January 2025. We already done previously. We done with Python. I can make it here like Python. So the currently running topic name is called as a Pandas introduction. And upcoming topic name is called as a it's a Pandas in a series introduction. What topic, sir? Series introduction actually. Series introduction. I'm sorry, let me check some question. Sir, I practiced Pandas on W3 School's website, but it was a bit complicated. You are going to time to give into the today's just introduction. Rishi, tell me, one point I can tell you. Once after our Pandas session is done, I'm sure you will become master actually. That's the difference between other website and our sessions actually. Get ready to understand. The Pandas will become your favorite topic, no doubt at all. Okay? Because yeah, as usual, I can close the session before 7. Before 7. Thank you. Somebody is telling Happy New Year actually. Oh, yeah, hold on then. Yeah, I'm sorry. There is a one video we have prepared actually. We in the sense I have prepared before starting the session. Come on, get ready. I hope you know we are from Naresh IT. This I have prepared, sir, by spending just a couple of minutes. We are from Naresh IT. Thank you for joining. Let's transform to NIT. Good. Now the next one. Dear students, I hope yesterday you enjoyed actually, but I never ask you how you enjoyed. Trust me on this one. Happy New Year to everyone. May this year, trust me, may this year, it will bring fruitful and joyful moments in your career actually. Happy New Year to, may this year bring your new opportunities, success in your studies and joy in all what you're doing actually. All right, thank you. Happy New Year, sir. I already given my wishes actually. Online team, somebody telling you didn't say Happy New Year actually. Yeah, it is done. Okay. We are still running with this. I will give a small recap. Previously, before last two session, what I have covered, I still remember. Generally, I never forget the regular about the subject actually. Yeah. In another 1 minute, I'm going to start. We are good to go. pip command, this we already done. Check installation Python library, and here onwards I need to start actually. Back to the session. First of all, listen carefully. Pandas is a kind of some Python library. What exactly, sir? Cheppandi? Python library. Good. So please make a note. It's a Python library. Library means group of packages. Library means what exactly? Pandas is a folder. Inside that folder would have a lot of folders actually. We can talk that one. The second point will be, Daniel, by using Pandas, what we can do? What is the usage actually? We can do data analysis. We can do what exactly, sir? Data analysis. Practically, we'll see how to do that actually. What is data analysis? You will understand slowly by slowly. The next point will be, when you're talking about the pandas having the data structures. Pandas having what exactly, man? Data structure. Pandas having data structure. When you're talking about the data structure, mainly there are three data structures we have. The first one is called as a series. The next one, data frame. Next one, panel. Next one is what exactly? Panel actually. Panel. All right. Now, Daniel, how to install? It's a very simple. We need to install. It is not like a clicking software. You have to give a double click and it is getting installing. It was not like that. It is, you have to install by using pip command. What command, sir? Pip command. Pip install pandas. Pip install what exactly? Pandas. I'm sure it is getting installing in every one of your laptop. 1 out of 100, maybe 1 or 2 students may face issue. I already told actually. If anyone is facing issue, do let me know. I can help you. I'm sure I will help you. I will help you. So just try to bring your laptop. The solution will be, you may get a issue like, pip is not recognized internal or external command. We have to reinstall Python. Then the issue will be fixed actually. Otherwise, we have to set the class path. That I will tell you how to do that actually. Talk with me how to install pandas. You should aware actually. You should aware this point very clearly. How to install pandas. After I have explained about this one, then we done environment setup. I explained how to install. Yeah, good. We can cross verify also how to check actually. It's a right time pandas data structures. What exactly mean? Data structure. Good. Let me tell you. The point is very, very important. These points are, so make a note actually. Make a note. First one, pandas having data structure. I mean, by using pandas, what we can do, by using pandas, we can do data analysis. Chapter, we can do data analysis. I'm talking about by using pandas, but let me tell you, inside pandas, there are major topics would have. Those topics is called as a data structure. Chapter, sir, data structure. Frankly speaking, by using data structures, we are doing the data analysis. Are you with me or not, sir? Right. I mean to say, Daniel, I wanted to do the data analysis. Yes, by using pandas. But technically speaking, yes, of course it is by using data, by using pandas only. But, through data structure. Through what exactly mean? Data structure. That's what you need to be understand. There are some major data structures we have. Tim, how easy it is, very easy. Trust me. And while I'm explaining about these pandas, you can feel Python revision. You can feel Python what exactly? There are some functions we are going to have. I'm going to call you. There are some predefined classes would we have. I'm going to call you. Step by step, I can help you actually. The first in Python, talk with me. What are the data structures would we have? Yeah, when you're talking about the data structure. Chappan sir, list lo Python lemon. This one is a pandas. First Python list, tuple, next set, next one dictionary. We are good to go. Dictionary. Then in pandas, would you have a data structure like a series, data frame, the next one panel actually. What exactly, sir? Panel. Then by using this, what we can do? Simple, we can store the data, process the data. What we can do, sir? Chappandi? We can store the data and process the data. There are mainly, make a note on this one, store the data, process the data. Please make a note on this. Okay. Now, when it comes to pandas data structure, I wanted to talk with you one by one actually. Series. It is also called as a one-dimensional data structure. What data structure, boss? One dimension. By using this one, we can store, a kind of some one single column information. What we can do actually? Single column information. Online team, hold on. You want fans actually? That's what, let me know. Fine. If any, let me know. One of the most important features in a pandas is a data structure. First one is a series. Next one is a data frame. Next one is a panel. Series is a one dimension, a kind of some single column storage actually. One point, let me tell you. Tim, Daniel, I wanted to play with structured data. What data actually? When you're talking about the Python, no structured data. Something like a plain data actually. I wanted to store like a column 1, column 2, column 3. It is not possible. Even if you're trying to formatting actually, still that is not a column actually. But Daniel, I wanted to store the data like a single column. I have only single column data actually. Then you can go for a series. I have a data rows and columns. I have a data what exactly? Rows and column. Then you can go for a data frame. Next one will be group of data frames I do have. Group of CSV files I do have. Then you can go for 3D actually. 3 dimension. Okay. Now the first one. Yeah, I'm going to starting with the series data structure. Please focus on this one. Series data structure. See, first of all, it is a data structure. It is what exactly? Data structure in pandas. Daniel, by using this, what we can do? We can store the data. Chapan sir, we can store the data. Okay, store the data. And what exactly? And process the data. That's it, very simple. But let me tell you, what kind of storage, Daniel, what kind of storage actually? It is a single column storage. Talk with me, sir. Single column. It can store only single column actually. Single column. Now, even let me tell you one small, let me explain slowly. What do you mean by single column, Daniel, actually? Since our childhood, there is some data we are habituated with to storing in a single column format actually. To storing in what exactly? Single column. Let me tell you, in my childhood, my mother used to tell, Daniel, kindly please bring groceries actually. What exactly mean? Groceries, kind of some items. Then I used to ask her, Mom, tell me. First item, she used to tell, you can just have to bring half kg sugar actually. Second item, after sugar, what is the next one? Tea powder. Am I? Ante kada sir? Yeah, tea powder. A kind of some discussion actually. Tea powder. The next one will be, my mother used to, చెప్పండి ఏదో చెప్తున్నారు kind of Santur soap actually. What exactly, sir? Santur soap. I'm sorry. Santur soap. Now here is the point. See, first what I have written. Now still I can continue by giving a comma, but did I give in that actually? We are habituated. Since our childhood, you are habituated. Item number 1, first line. Second item will be second line actually. This is called as a single column storage. What storage? Single column storage actually. Best example. This is the best way. Daniel, why this one? Best way for more readability and more processing actually. More what exactly mean? Processing. Good. Let me tell you one more item. You joined at Naresh Shetty. Imagine the first today demo session. What session, sir? Demo session. Naresh Shetty asked you what exactly, just try to, they will give offline team, white paper. They will give white paper actually. And they're asking, write only your mail ID. Only your what exactly? Mail ID. Don't write anything. Just only mail ID is enough for us actually. Otherwise, mobile number. Now, whenever you are writing mail ID, the first one will be, ABC, kind of some raju@gmail.com. Talk with me, sir. Next mail ID, do you think, are you giving comma actually? Never, I'm sure. First student, so who is sitting at first bench, they will write, raju@gmail.com. Automatically, second student, we never suggest actually go to the second line, means we already know actually. The next one will be Rani. Mantri actually. I mean, these are all things. I hope you know the Daniel. Sorry. Yeah, Raju Rani Mantri. Gmail.com actually. Like this. Now, conclusion of the story. Even in industry, there is a one column storage is available. A series is a similar to a single column of the data. What data, sir? Single column. Like, so imagine apples. This is something like a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Monday to Thursday sales actually. Monday, think like a 3 dozen sales. So automatically series data structure, it is having the index. What it is having? It can store the data based on index. During list data structure, how it is having index actually. Series data structure also, it is having the index nature. Think like, this one is a Monday. 0 indicates to Monday. And 3 dozen apples. Tuesday, 2 dozen. Sir, Wednesday, no business actually. Yeah, it might be common. Business up and downs actually. Sometimes it can increase, sometimes it can decrease actually. Reduce. The next day, how many dozens actually? 1. I mean to say 3201. Good. The next one, this is about the Apple product and record actually. Next one is what exactly mean? orange 037, Monday no sales, Tuesday 3 dozens, and respectively 7 dozens, respectively what exactly 2 dozens. Simple, a small theory actually. The next one is the data frame. When you're talking about the data frame is a similar to a table which contains rows and what exactly columns of the data. Okay, interesting. Now imagine you came to the session and admin have given the white paper. Admin have given what exactly? White paper actually. I would like to say this one is a series. Even let me show you what do you mean by data frame actually. Series. Let us take this. Now let me talk about this one. Write your mail ID and mobile number. And what exactly? Mobile number actually. Mobile number. Then definitely they will keep the heading will be mail ID. First one is the mail ID. The next one is the mobile number. Mobile number. Then the first one will be abc@gmail.com. The mobile number, kind of some random numbers actually. And def@gmail.com. Some random number. Now team, I am repeating again. By looking at this one, you need to be understand. It is like a rows and columns format actually. What format, sir? Rows and columns format. I'm pretty sure you are able to understand what I'm talking with you actually. Am I right or not, sir? Can somebody tell me how many rows actually? Row number 1, row number 2, row number 3. Whenever you are counting the rows actually, header is not countable. Important interview question. If somebody showed this kind of data, don't count, mail ID is the 1, ABC is the 2, DF is the 3, GHA is the 4. No, not 4 rows actually. Actual data is how many rows, sir? 3 rows. When you are counting the rows, header is not countable. What is not countable? Header is not countable. The next one. Here also index is available. What is available? Index. Index starts from 0. Next one, 1. Next one is 2. Now, can somebody tell me how many columns actually? 2 columns. What is that one? When you are counting the columns, index is not countable. Important, I can cover later actually. While you are counting rows, header is not countable. What is not countable? Header is not countable. While you are counting the columns, what is not countable? Index. I can keep focus more actually, but as of now, think like data frame means group of rows and columns. Group of what exactly? Rows and columns. Yeah. Data frame. It is kind of some group of rows and columns. Rows and what exactly? Columns actually. One small important. First we have to tell always rows, next columns actually. Rows and columns. But you should not spell out columns and rows actually. I mean you can tell, but that is not a standard way actually. Function, all letters are in lowercase or uppercase. That is the standard. Still you can write uppercase actually. Here also, if anyone is asking, do let me know. Data frame can contain, what it contain, how many rows and how many columns. First we have to tell number of rows. Next we have to tell number of columns actually. Number of columns you need to tell. Okay. Now we are good to go. A data frame is a similar to a table which contains rows and what exactly columns of a table. Let me ask you a question. Sir, చెప్పండి, how many rows ఉన్నాయి? How many rows? చెప్పండి sir. 4 or 5? Why not this one actually? Header is not countable. What is not countable? Header is not countable, right? Now how many columns actually? 2 columns. 1, 2, but not 3. Don't count the index actually. Don't count the index. Now let me tell you, this is a really beautiful example. Get ready to understand. Exactly, client will give this kind of data, sir. Client will give a file. With that file, we need to create a data frame. This is the data frame data. What data? Data frame data. Now here, what is analysis? Here what is analysis? The point will be, can somebody tell me how many columns would you have? 3. Very good. What is the first one? Organization, company name. Next one, person name. Next one, sales actual. And how many rows actually? 1, 2, yeah, it starts from 0, end value plus 1 actually, 6 rows it is having. We are good to go. Now I have a small question. Let us take only this column. What is the column name? Organization, analysis, first analysis operation. Over that organization, you can apply one operation. That operation is called as a unique operation. What operation? Yeah, exactly. Companies would have, how many unique companies would you have, sir? 3. What is the first one? Google. Next one, Salesforce. Next one, Adobe. Very good. Are you getting or not, sir? Yeah, good. The next one, salesperson. You can ignore. What is the last column? Yeah, sales actually. Good. Here is the discussion. What is the minimum transaction? 120. Operation number 2. What is the maximum transaction? Operation number 3. What are Google column? Google data actually, this one is a Google data, you can separate. This one is a Salesforce data, you can separate. This one is a Adobe data, you can separate. Then later if you want, here this one is a minimum value. And for here, this one is a minimum value. Each individual, this one is what exactly? Minimum value. And here you can apply sum. Here you can apply sum. Here you can apply sum. And finally the cumulative sum also you can apply. These are all operations are called as a data analysis operations. What operation? How simple it is, let me tell you. Very simple. What is the first operation I told actually? Minimum. What is the first one? Nothing is there. There is a one method. That method name is a min method. What method? Just to load this data, you need to call a min method. You will get the result actually. Don't ask what is a method. I mean, I already explained actually how to create a method and how to call a method actually. Gurtunda sir. Don't worry, I will give you a revision. I will again give you a revision. This is called as a data frame. Data frame means something like, it is having rows, Daniel. I mean to say row number 1. I would like to say row number 1, row number 2. Respectively, these are all goes to rows actually. This one is a column number 1. This one is a column number 2. Respectively, these are all something like a matrix notation, man. Matrix notation actually. Okay. Let's move on. Panel. When you're talking about the panel, it is a group of data frames. Chappan sir, it is a group of data. Yeah, I'm continuing. We started late actually. Panel is a group of data frames. Yeah, see, data frame number 1, data frame number 2, data frame number 3, group of data frame. Mostly used, the most widely used data structures are series and data frame. These two are very, very important. Without this project, there is no, without this topic, there is no project actually. Series and data frames deals with the array data. And what is the array? During NumPy I can talk actually. Next one is a tabular data. What is data, sir? Tabular data. Tabular data. I will tell you what do you mean by this. These are all. Now see the first one, column number 1, column number 2, column number 3. Sir, single column. What column actually? Do you think this is the column actually? No, that is index. When you're counting the columns, index is not countable. What is not countable? We already covered actually. Data frame. This is, group of, I would like to say row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, rows and columns. What exactly mean? Rows and columns, rows and columns. This is group of rows. Total 4 rows would you have actually. This is, column names. Total 3 columns would you have. How many columns would you have? 3 columns. The next one will be panel. Data frame number 1, data frame number 2, data frame number 3. We can do these are all. Series having single column. Data frame having group of rows and columns, you can still also call as a, when you're talking about the data frame, multiple series. Chappan sir, multiple, you can also call as a group of series. Group of what exactly? Series. Very simple. The next one, panel have multiple data frames. It is a kind of some I'm trying to bring in the relation. Series means single column. Data frame means group of series. Chappan sir, group of series. Panel means group of data frame. Come on, please be more active. We are in 25 actually. Yeah, now actual example started. Actual example started. Are you ready? Till now, are you clear? It's a very simple. How to install PANDAS Chappandi? Very good. Let me drink water. God, we are good to go. Listen carefully. Let us take a hello world example. Let us take what exactly? Hello world example. So in Python, the hello world example is a print of hello world. Yeah, we already know this actually. Print of what exactly mean? Hello world actually. But in Pandas, what is a hello world example? Here is the point you need to be understand. In Python, writing a print and hello world, it is the basic example and hello world example. The first basic example. But in a Pandas, the hello world example is called as the basic example. Import the Pandas. Import what exactly? Pandas. We need to import the Pandas. That is called as a basic example. Once after we have installed successfully, what we install, sir? Pandas. It's a right time. Daniel, I wanted to work with the Pandas. I wanted to work with what exactly? Sir, if you wanted to work with the Pandas, then first step is import the Pandas. Madam, what exactly? Import the That importing pandas is called as a basic example. Hello world example actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. Let's move on. I will help you step by step. I will help you as usual. Let us just try to come here and you can just try to create a coding folder. Open notepad. Open notepad and yeah, I will ask one question, man. Print of hello. What basic example, sir? Python basic example. What example? Sir, చెప్పండి. Python. But I wanted to write a pandas basic example. If you wanted to write a pandas basic example, now what we need to write, in a Python programming language, there is a one keyword. That keyword name is a import. What exactly? That's why in Python I covered actually. There is a topic. The topic name is called as a module. There are three keywords I covered actually. Import from as, right? Import pandas. Import what exactly? Pandas. Pandas. Then yeah, very good. I would like to say successfully imported. I mean to say done. Importing is done. What is done actually? Importing is done. Are you with me or not, sir? Let's save this example. I would like to save demo1.py. There are some points I wanted to cover. Successfully I have saved actually. Team, very, very important point actually. Please be alert. Be alert actually. Be alert. Point number one. Python is a programming language. Python is what exactly? Programming language. Then we can save the program demo1.py. Next point. The next point is, Pandas is not a programming language. Not what exactly mean? Programming language. Then what is this one, Daniel, actually? Pandas is a Python package. Pandas is what exactly? Pandas is a Python library or package. It is okay as of now. Now, though it is exactly again Python related actually, Pandas example also you have to save with .py notation only. I wanted to ensure that actually. Previously, many students got confused actually. Hey, Daniel, Python you covered actually. After Python, do you think Pandas is the programming language? Sir, no. Pandas is a library in Python, or else you can think like a package in Python. Though they have implemented with the Python, even machine learning example also, all examples you have to say with .py only, but not .daniel actually. Are you with me or not, sir? What is the notation? What is extension? .py. Tell me. But not .pandas. But not what exactly? .pandas. .pandas. Previously, one student, they have saved like this actually. Daniel, can I say with demo3 what exactly? No, sir. If Pandas is a programming language, then you can save like that actually. Do you think Pandas is a programming language? No, this is literally wrong actually. Let me confirm. Are you with me or not, sir? Let's move on to the discussion. That's why successfully we have written a program. The hello world program actually. Hello world program, I can say this. And we have written a program. Import pandas. Import pandas, what exactly? Printed done. Let me run this example. Yeah, we are good to go. We need to run this example. We need to run. Yeah, good. Let me run actually. Let me drink water. We are good to go. Last time install chesam kada. Yeah, we have done installation actually. Are you getting or not, sir? If this is not installed, in case you have installed, that's what you are getting output is what exactly? Done. Done in the sense what exactly? Pandas imported. In case if you didn't install pandas, if you are writing, you execute this example, get ready, you will get an error. What error you will get? Module not found error. Talk with me. Module not found error. One more time. Last time. Important interview question. Important interview question. Do you wanted to show you that actually? Think like, as of now, it is not installed. Otherwise, if you have given package name also wrong, you will get this error actually. That error name is exactly, what exactly, Chappan sir, what is error? Module not found error. Very, very important actually. Same thing like whenever you're importing something, if that is not available, Pandas, it behaves like a module, package, library. I will tell you because of the nature of INET file. Because of the nature of what exactly? I can talk later. What is error name, sir? Module not for. Can I add into the list actually? We added, I guess, actually. During, what is the topic name? module topic. Go back. Daniel, successfully we have written pandas example. Importing pandas. Importing what exactly? Pandas, we are good to go. Very easy, man. Very easy. Just a matter of, few lines of the code actually. Online team, I can pick your questions in some time. We are in the flow. Let me continue actually. I have a small question for you. What is this? Why red color? Keyword actually. Now let me tell you. You guys are thinking like I'm explaining new topic actually, but let me tell you the same again Python we are explaining actually. But yeah, it's a predefined packages. What exactly? Predefined. Aliasing or renaming pandas. I hope you already know. Whenever you are importing the module or else package or library, we can do aliasing also. We can do what exactly? For more readability. For more what exactly? Readability. We can alias or rename pandas name as per Python syntax. If you wanted to give alias name, then you need to use a as keyword. I mean, by using as keyword, we can alias actually. Hey, Daniel, why aliasing? More readability. Let me give one best example. My name is a Kasagani Nirikshan Daniel. My name is a Kasagani Nirikshan Daniel Rao actually. Such a long name, 1 kilometer actually. But instead of again every time, hey, Daniel, instead of calling with my full name, you can use my short name. What is that name? Chappan madam. Exactly. Yeah, good. Now, yeah, famous alias name. Same thing like that. Pandas also having famous alias name. That first of all, this alias name can be anything, but till now, all Pandas developer, all data scientists, they are giving one alias name. That name is a PD. What is that name, sir? What they done, they have taken first letter and they have taken D letter. Now the name is called as a PD. What is that one, sir? PD. Come on, let me write one more time. Chappan, sir, import pandas as PD. Then good. Two steps done, sir. Step number one. First step imported actually. First step what exactly? Imported pandas. And next step is what exactly? Chappan, sir. Renamed. What exactly mean? Renamed to AS. Renamed to PD. Renamed to what exactly? Are you getting or not, sir? What is the full name? Pandas. What is the rename? What is the alias name? PD. PD. Good. Let me just try to run this. Yeah. Yeah, we have imported successfully. Then we rename it to what exactly? PD. Am I right or not, sir? But let's take this example. Let me talk with online team. Online team, I hope you are very clear. What exactly importing pandas and aliasing actually. What exactly, sir? Aliasing. Online team, please. Srija responded. What about others? Only 1% responded, sir. Please, it's new year actually. How to respond? Respond over. Let's move on. Let's continue. Good. By looking at this example, I remembered one question, sir. I remembered one question actually. I'm sorry. Let me pick out this one. Sir, there are, according to the standards, I'm talking about according to the standards actually, there are two ways to fix. There are two ways to fix actually. Fix this issue. Fix this issue. The first one, they can reinstall Python, reinstall Python actually, install Python. While they are reinstalling, they have to check the checkboxes. Check what exactly? Checkboxes. Checkboxes. I mean, this one is the best way. Why? Because, the second one will be setting the class path. That's what we have to do manually. Setting the class path. Setting what exactly? Class path. These two are the best approaches. I hope you understand. Let's move on to the discussion. Yeah, we are good to go. Can somebody tell me what exactly we have done? We have imported pandas and we done what exactly? Rename. We done rename. Back to the session. Yeah, note this name can be any name. Hey Daniel, instead of PD, can I give kind of some ABC? Sir, you can give. Still okay, accepted. But the famous alias name, what do you mean by famous actually? Famous in the sense, all pandas who already know, they know this word very well. That name is a PD. What is the name, sir? PD. PD means, pandas alias name actually. Pandas alias name. Yeah, very good. Import pandas as what exactly? PD. We are good to. Speciality of alias name as a PD. Here in our example, we have given alias name as a PD. We can provide any name as a alias name. Real-time developers and habituated to give alias name as what exactly? PD. So it's a universal alias name. What exactly mean? It is not entire question, kind of some GK point. You should aware about this general knowledge actually. Okay. Now, we done with the successfully pandas introduction. I remembered one student question, man, by looking at this one actually. Can you please read the code actually? Import pandas as PD. One student asked one question, but let me tell you that day, I never hear that kind of question in my whole career actually. I mean, I thought like students will think like this also. Yeah, maybe let me share that question actually. Hey, Daniel, what are you doing here actually? I'm aliasing. Daniel, here we have a already AS in pandas would you have, right? Do we need this one actually? And he asked that question, sir, actually. And I drink water immediately. And what I need to respond also, I don't know actually. Sir, మీకు అర్థమైందా ఆల్రెడీ పాండాస్ లో ఏఎస్ అనే వర్డ్ ఉంది కదా ఈజ్ ఇట్ రియల్లీ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫర్ దిస్ వన్ హీ ఆస్క్డ్ యాక్చువల్ ఐ టోల్డ్ సార్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రిక్వైర్డ్ స్ట్రైట్ టు ద పాయింట్ యాక్చువల్ ఇఫ్ ఎనీ వన్ హ్యావింగ్ సేమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ డిస్కషన్ ప్లీజ్ కమన్ వేకప్ ఫ్రమ్ స్లీప్ యాక్చువల్లీ దట్ ఈస్ రియల్లీ రిక్వైర్డ్ యాక్చువల్లీ మేక్ యూ నోట్ ఆన్ దిస్ yeah there are some students they will ask this kind of doubts also but amazing doubt actually let's continue pandas introduction we done. Next one is a series introduction. Yeah, we are entering into the topic. Are you ready? Let's continue. First point. In pandas actually, instead of in pandas, series is a one-dimensional labeled array. Slowly understand the terminology. Can somebody tell me what is this word actually? Label. ML terminology. I can talk. Label, target, feature. These are all I can talk later. And it is a series is a one-dimensional data structure, you can say. Series can store same type of the data, different type of the data as well. Like a list to data structure. What data structure, man? Series can store same type of the data. All integers I do have a Daniel. Yes, you can store. All floating values I do have. Yes, you can store. All string data. Yes, you can store. No limitation. But instead of same data, I do have a heterogeneous data. Kind of some different data actually. Daniel, can I store actually? Yes, you can store. The power of series is you can store same type of the data. You can store different type of the data. Like a list data structure. Series stores the data in a sequential order. Insertion order is fixed. What exactly mean? Daniel, what do you mean by that? If you are giving output, input will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Output also will get 1, 2, 3, respectively 5 actually. Insertion order is a fixed. See, if you really understand Python data structures, in pandas, life will be very simple actually. Yeah, we know these are all words we heard somewhere else actually. That's what we really spend decent time or pandas, discussion actually. Tim, I need a response, man. Are you following everybody? Yeah, come on. Last point. Let us read everyone. Series is like a one column information. Series is like what exactly? One column information. We are very good. Team, let me tell you, this is my definition. You never see this kind of definition anywhere else actually. Technically speaking, general definition is a series can store single column data. That is a general definition, but we are all developer. In terms of the developer, if you wanted to understand about the technical definition, series is a predefined class. Talk with me. Series is a predefined class. One more time. Very good. I mean to say, series is a predefined class. Point number 1, started with S is the capital letter. S is what exactly? Please make a note here onwards. When I say here onwards, except Python, except built-in classes actually. From here onwards, all class names are capital letter only. All class names are what exactly? Capital letter only. Capital letter only. Daniel, now hold on. Go back. Did you remember there is a point I told actually? Every time I used to tell. What is that point? Methods in str class. Cinema started from str class actually. What is the next one? Methods in. Very good, man. You remembered actually. The next one, methods in tuple class. Okay. The next one, methods in dictionary class. Then next one, methods in student class. Student I have created actually. Did you remember? Then next one, methods in SERIES actually, series class. Get ready. Like how these are all classes having the methods actually. Same thing like that. Series is a class. Series class also contains what exactly? Yeah, we are going to discuss. That's the connection actually. Already this point we already have seen in a Python. You know, in Python, I'm just trying to, not only this one, sir, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, Gen AI. Oh my God, all our classes only. All our what exactly? Classes only. Understand the flow, how we are covering actually. Okay. Now the point is, hey, Daniel, you're telling series is a class. Yes, sir, series is a class. If series is a class, so what actually? So what in the sense, you know, you can take this class. First point, you can just have to take this class. Next point, create an object actually. What is the next one? Exactly. When you're talking about the class, immediately the next point is what exactly? No, object creation. What is the next point? You have to talk everyone. What is the next one? Object creation. After object is created, you can perform an operation. You can perform what exactly? Like a head method you can call, you know, kind of some different methods we need to call actually. Here onwards, I will tell one small framework. Please make a note actually. That framework will be uh, wherever class discussion came, whenever we are discussing about the class actually, important points, man, important points actually. First point, import the class. Import what exactly? Import the class from package. From what exactly, man? Package or library. The next one, create an object to the class. Object to what exactly? Class. Come on, read your one. Create an object to, see, once we have imported the class, right, in the next line you have to use that object actually. What I mean, you have to use that class. The uses of class is a creating an object actually. And the third point will be calling a method. Third point is what exactly? Calling a method actually. Calling what exactly, sir? Method. This is what you need to be understand. Are you with me or not, sir? Come on, let us read one more time. Import the class from package. Next one, create an object to a class. Next one, call a method. Call a method by using object. That is a nice statement actually. Call a method by using object. Perfect actually. Now I can help you one by one. Online team, I hope you are clear. Fine. Back to the session. Go back. Let us take a list data structure. Now, once you understand about the data structure, it's a right time. What are all ways we can create actually? What are all ways? What exactly we can create? The first one, you can create a empty series, like a empty list. How you can create actually? Yeah, very good. Empty list, empty tuple, empty set, empty dictionary. Same thing like that. We can even create a empty series data structure. What data structure? Empty series. Point number one. The next point will be, okay, by using list to data structure also we can create a series. I mean to say, sir, series is a single column data. Series is what exactly? Definitely for series, we need to go input as a group of values. That group of values let us dump, let us store into list actually. That list we can pass into the series data structure. Don't worry, it's a kind of some theory. I will show you today itself actually. Conclusion of the story, we can create a empty series. Chappan sir, we can create a empty series. Next one, we can create a series by using list, by using, and third point will be, we can even create a series by using array. This I can talk during NumPy discussion. During what discussion? NumPy. The last point is very, very important. What is the last point? You know, by accessing single column from the data frame. If I highlight it with the red color, very, very important actually. Imagine there is a data frame, group of columns actually. I wanted to access the specific column, then you will get a series. You will get what exactly, sir? Series actually. Madam, are you getting your one? Yeah, I will explain. Now I'm closing this one. You have to tell without seeing actually. The first one, we can create a empty series. Next one, by using list, by using array, by accessing single column from the data frame. Madam, చెప్పండి, by using array. Yeah, the next one, you know, by accessing single column from data frame. We are good to go. Let's move on. Now we are entering into the discussion. Yeah, we have a nice time actually. Very good. Very good. First of all, listen carefully. This is real interesting. Listen carefully. Did you remember? Let me ask you one question. How to create empty list? Please answer this one. How to create what exactly? Empty list. I'm sure that very well known question actually. Empty list. Ela create cheyali sir? A equals to like this, then you can create like this actually. Kada? Am I right? Empty series. Daniel, I'm planning to create I'm sorry. This one is a empty list actually. Now the point will be how to create empty series. Empty what exactly mean? Series. First point. If you wanted to talk about the series, first what we need to do, this series is a class. This series class is available inside pandas. Inside what exactly? Okay. Inside pandas, this series is available. Then the first step is import the pandas. Import what exactly? Then from inside pandas, we need to extract the series class actually. అంటే ఈ సిరీస్ అనే క్లాసు ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది అంటే పాండాస్ లో ఉంటుంది. దెన్ పాండాస్ మనం ఏం చేయాలి? ఇంపోర్ట్ చేయాలి. వన్స్ ఆఫ్టర్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఇంపోర్టెడ్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఫ్రమ్ ఇన్సైడ్ పాండాస్ లెట్ us see the class. Let us extract the class actually. Very simple, I will tell you. Are you understand the flow or not, sir? Then can you tell me what is the first step actually? Import panda. Very good, you connected actually. If you wanted to talk about the series, first talk about what exactly meant? Pandas. Very good. Hey, Daniel, are you sure? Can you show me? Inside pandas class is available. Madam, boss, let me show you. Let me show you actually. Inside pandas, I'm sorry. Inside pandas, series is available. What is available? Series is available. Available. Let me show you. Let me show you. Import, talk with me, pandas as PD. Pandas as what exactly? PD. Now here is the point. So inside PD, I mean, we have aliased pandas as what exactly? PD. What is available? Series is available. What is available? What is available? How to check? Any idea? Exactly. Very good. By using dir. By using what exactly? Same thing like inside object so and so method is available or not. I wanted to cross verify. Same thing like that. Inside so and so package, so and so class is available or not. I wanted to check actually. Yeah, print dir of PD. Print dir of what exactly? Team, no one ever prove like this actually. But very, very important. Yeah, see. అంటే పాండాస్ లోపల సిరీస్ అనే క్లాస్ ఉందని చెప్తున్నాను కదా. లెట్ మీ షో యూ యాక్చువల్లీ ఇన్సైడ్ పాండాస్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ లైక్ సిరీస్ ఈజ్ అవైలబుల్. ఆర్ యూ రెడీ? కెన్ ఐ రన్? చెప్పండి సార్. Let me run. Focus on only one class. That class is a series class actually. There are a lot of things you are getting. You can ignore these are all. Very series. Wow, here is the series actually. Very good. You got a clarity, I guess actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Data frame go down to the zone neck. Yeah, exactly. Here would have a data frame. Conclusion of the story. Inside pandas, what is available? Series class is available. What is available? Perfect actually. How to check? Simple. The answer will be by using dir function. What function? Don't ask what is dir. We already covered actually. Sir, please. Internally, what is available actually? Very good. I'm pretty sure till now, I hope you are clear actually. Can I get a response? All right. The next step, how easy it is, team. I would like to tell, go back. This is called as a creating a empty list actually. Creating what exactly? Empty list. Now I'm planning to creating a empty series object. Empty series, what exactly? Then how to create, S equals to student. Means imagine, student is a class, we are creating an object to the student class. Avunantaru kadantaru sir. Then let us just try to create a D equals to Daniel. Daniel is a class, we are creating an object actually. We are creating what exactly? Same thing like that. S equals to class. For that, we need to create an object. This is called as empty series. Let me frame the example actually. If you wanted to create an object to the series, syntax is the same. Left hand side, name of the variable. right hand side name of the class. What is the name of the class? Series with the parenthesis. But hold on, this series where it is available, ekkadun sir idi? Pandas. Then what we need to do? Perfect, import the pandas. Exactly, import what exactly? Pandas as pd. Now for this package and yes, this series we have to make interlink actually. Pd dot series, pd dot what exactly? This is the example actually. That's what you need to be understand. Are you with me or not, sir? If you are calling directly like this, trust me, you will get an error. Error name is a name error. Why? Because series I didn't create it. But who created actually? Pandas. Then make interlink actually. If you wanted to call this series pandas name dot series instead of that pd dot series, what dot series meant? I'm sure you got a clarity. Can I get a response from you? Now tell me the total code actually. Very simple. Chapandi. Import pandas. Chapandi sir. Pandas as pd. As pd. Good. The next one will be s equals to. Tell me. One more time. You understand, right? Why I'm writing PD actually? Very nice. That is a clarity. Maintain clarity actually. Yeah, successfully we have written. Successfully we have created a series empty object actually. What object man? Just a matter of one piece of line of the code actually. That's it. That's it actually. Okay. Now, can I ask you one question? Imagine what is output? Very good. One more time. Very good. Very good. Yeah, super. Series object is created, empty data. Think like, it is giving some information. Think like this one is a empty series. What series? I can talk. What is a D type equals to object? I can talk slowly by slowly. You will get an idea actually. Are you with me or not, sir? This is the empty series object. What object? Empty series. Empty series. Yeah. No, no, no. Cinema is not at war actually. Let us have a discussion here. Let us have a discussion here actually. Please make a note. Okay, somebody is asking question. It's okay. You only will answer actually. Sir, I am not doing aliasing. Then what I need to do? Plain Japan. That's it. The cinema is over actually. If you are not aliasing, you have to create pandas dot series. That's what we are doing aliasing. Every time you need to call pandas, who will call, sir? Let us just say to PD. Very simple actually. Getting or not? Right, good. This one also valid example, but not recommended actually. Last 5 minutes. All right. Children. Yeah, hold on. Let us have a small discussion again. Come on. Write the code, sir. Chapandi. Import pandas as PD and s equals to PD dot series. PD dot what exactly? Series. Now let us just try to print s actual. Let us just try to print what exactly? Go back to the Python. If you wanted to import the package, you have to use a keyword. Keyword name is a import. Yeah, good. Import is a keyword. By using that, we are importing the package. Nice. In Python programming language, wherever capital letter is available, here series is a predefined class. Sir, chappalandaru. Predefined class. One more time. The whole line is called as a very good. I wanted to hear. Come on. Object creation. What creation? We really enjoyed that sessions actually. I made it very clear. We can create a class. We can create an object. S equals to student. S equals to what exactly? That day, if you understand how to create an object to the student class actually, see the same story actually. S equals to, yeah, why we are accessing PD actually? Because, series is available inside PD actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Hold on. During interview, I used to take interviews actually. During interview, this is my question. This is what exactly? My question. What is my question, explain below line. Explain what exactly? Below line. Very simple. Explain below line. The one who came for interview, he will think like, did he know the subject or not? Just he is asking one line actually. Yeah, good. Let me tell you. When I'm asking, explain about this line, what are the points I'm expecting, Chiptara, first one. S is, Chappan sir, S is name of the object. Okay, very good. That flow is important. Okay, very good. The next one. Series is, yeah, name of the class. What exactly mean? Name of the class. Name of the class in, yeah, that point is important. Please frame the sentence actually. PD is alias name. What name? Alias name. Alias name actually. Now hold on. This one is the beauty actually. Now the whole line is called as what exactly? Very good. Object creation. Many students they will stop here actually. Many students they will stop here. Can somebody tell any other point actually? Inka point ఏదైనా చెప్తారా ఇక్కడ? Let me try. Good. At least try actually. Many students. You thought that's what I'm telling. During interview, I told this one is my favorite question, right? I will ask like this only. Many students will look at only the upper details actually, but let me tell you, internal details also we do have. S equals to PD dot series is a object creation. Yeah, any point actually? Anyone is telling? Empty series. Okay, let us write. Very good point. It is creating empty series object actually. This creates, this line creates to, this line creates empty series. What series man? Empty series. But I'm talking about technical discussion. Team, during object creation, something executes. What is that? Constructor. Very good. That point you need to talk actually. Did you remember? You are creating an object. Now hold on. During object creation in Python, something executes actually. Backend constructor will execute automatically. That's what you need to be understand actually. Are you with me or not, sir? That's what you need to be understand, right? Here, constructor. What exactly? Constructor. During object creation, constructor executed. What executed, sir? Constructor executed. Constructor executed actually. Perfect. We are good to go. Zero parameterizer constructor. What constructor? Yeah, by looking at that, you need to understand actually. All right. It is more interesting, but it is okay. I can talk this one tomorrow. Till here we done actually. Interesting, right? Yeah, right. We'll continue tomorrow. I mean, let us stick with the timeline. We done for today's a short session. A sweet and short actually. We done for today's session. I hope you understand very clearly. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Mahesh Garu, we can use actually, sir. We can use actually, but let me tell you, not using in that format in real time. What exactly we can do, from pandas import series, S should be capital actually. Yeah, we can do actually. I hope where I covered this one, during module topic I have covered actually. During module topic, specific things also we can access. Nageswara sir, very good. Thank you for responding. Yeah, constructor is being getting executing. That point is important. Very, very important. How is the New Year celebration, sir? Eating biryani and sleeping, right? Good, good, man. Your preparation pattern is supposed to be changed. Yes. Calendar page changed actually. చెప్పండి సార్ ఎనీ I didn't share previously. Okay, let me share. Can I share tomorrow? I have now, but if I share now, people will focus on Python. We have now actually. Let me show you. But I can share it later. Material. Practice. When it comes to functions, would you have list? Would you have data structures? Tuple data structure. I do have other things also. I can share. Make it tomorrow. Remind me tomorrow, sir. For you, everyone got alert, right? When I'm posting here, you are getting alert, I guess, actually. Can you please follow? Thank you. I hope you have today. It is really helpful for us. Tomorrow we have a session as usual. Tomorrow, what is the session timing? Yeah, I already specified only today. That's what I specified actually. I know your counter questions very clearly. We are good to go. Let's upload this. Pandas is very, very important. Don't miss not even single session. If you are missing single session, gone case man actually. Let us upload running notes too. All right, then. Thank you. Thank you for attending today's session. Madam, thank you so much.